How to verify a Webull account. I'm going to show you how you can easily verify your Webull account. To verify your Webull account, start by logging in and accessing your account settings to the profile icon. From there, navigate to the account verification or identity verification section and click on Verify or Start Verification. You will then be prompted to upload the required documents, which typically include a government-issued ID, proof of address, and your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Additionally, you may be asked to take a selfie to verify your identity. Once you've submitted the necessary documents, Webull will review them and verify your account within 1 to 3 business days for basic verification, allowing you to trade with limited funds, or 3 to 5 business days for advanced verification, enabling full trading capabilities. You can track the status of your verification in the account verification section, and Webull may request additional documentation or information to complete the process.